Hi guys, and welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to family share on Steam. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so if we have a look in our library at where the games are stored, here we'll take example Left 4 Dead 2, and it will have the status as borrowed. So this is being borrowed from another account that's being shared with you. If we have a look at an example of another game that will be installed for free on your own Steam account, it will have the button as play. So that's the status of a game that is directly installed onto your Steam account. So going back to the Left 4 Dead 2, you will also notice that underneath it shows as from the library of, and that is the person that has it installed on their account and it's being shared with you. So let's have a look how you actually share games with your family. So to show this example, I'm just going to need to log out of my own account and log into another account that actually owns the Left 4 Dead 2 game. Okay, so here I am logged into my other account, and we're just going to go back into library. And if we just find the game Left 4 Dead 2, you'll be able to see here that it's actually installed on this particular account as it displays play. Okay, now let's take a look at actually how you share with family members your games. So if you click on Steam in the top left hand corner and then click on Settings. Once this opens, we're going to want to select Security. And then here we've got Steam Guard settings. So you just want to select the Manage Steam Guard. It's really important to set up the Get Backup Steam Guard codes. So make sure you follow those instructions as displayed on the screen and do all backup codes. Without this, it's not going to work. Okay, so both your account and the account you're going to be sharing with need to do this on their own account. So make sure you set that up before continuing. Okay, so once we're all happy with the Manage Steam Guard, now we're going to want to go back into Settings. So Steam, then Settings, and this time we're going to click on Family. Once we're in this section, we've got the Family Library Sharing. So if you click on Manage, this screen now will display any users that you are sharing your library with. At the moment, we can only see one account, but we can't actually see my other account that I was first logged into. So that isn't being shared with at this current time. So remember this screen for later. So if we're going to just go back into Steam now where the settings pages was. Here we go. So then at this point, we want to select Authorized Library Sharing on this device. If we turn that on, then you're going to be able to see other accounts that have been logged into on this device, and that's what we want to give access to. So we can see my account down there, how to do phones. We want to give access to that particular account, so just click on. Okay, so we're going to just now log out of our second account that gave the sharing and access and log back into our original account. So as you can see, I've logged back in under how to do phones. Now we're going to check the library and see the actual game Left 4 Dead 2 that was then being shared with us. So if we can see here, it's now displaying as play, and it's from the library of the original account that obviously shared access with us. Now, you can only play, it's worth noting, you can only play this game if the other user is offline. If they are online, they get priority on playing the game. So it's just worth noting that for future. So now I'm going to show you how to revoke access with anyone that you are library sharing with. So if we just go back and log into the original account that was sharing with family, and go back up into Steam in the top left and click on Settings. Here you're going to want to select on Family, and then as we can see, we've got the Family Library Sharing. If you click on Manage, here is where we were earlier, and there you're able to revoke the access of anybody that you are sharing with. So simply select Revoke here, or you can actually revoke access authorized on this particular device also. So anybody logged onto this device will also be revoked. So there's a number of ways that you can obviously revoke them as well. So that was in the family sharing library, or you can come out into the main family settings and you can just revoke the person by using the toggle button and turn that off on any eligible accounts that you no longer want to be sharing with. So here I've turned off the main account that I was using. So now that doesn't have any access. So either way you can revoke them. And then if we refresh that, they actually disappear off this section as well. So it's just to double check they no longer have access to your library. And that's it, guys. So that's how to family share on Steam and also how to revoke access on Steam. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, that would be amazing, and we would really appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.